Okay, now we are going to do a guided meditation. Okay, but just before we do that, I do want to mention every equinox and solstice, I tune in to an entire group of people. We've almost had 1,000 before, as if you are one individual person. I'm doing a psychic reading and healing on the mass group of people as if you were one person and you all come together to shift in enormous ways what you are not able to shift on your own. You've got the support of a huge group. No matter what else is going on in your life, you definitely want to join group events to help you shift, get grounded and centered. So this was just put on my website last night. You'll be one of the first ones to register, but the link is below for the fall equinox. You can read more about it. Okay, thanks, Warrior Girl. All right. Boy, I keep wanting to. Okay. So, in this guided meditation, I'm going to voice guide you, and the theme is releasing rigidness, infusing benevolence, and heavenly light and sound. So, go ahead, close your eyes. Allow yourself to either breathe deeply and intentionally or just breathe normally. Knowing that as you are breathing in this fresh sound and light, and you're exhaling old toxins. While the garbage truck is literally driving by symbolically to take away what is no longer needed. Say hello to your body, because remember, even if you're making those great choices to move away from any events that cause stress, your body can still sometimes be taking those frequency hits. So just take a moment to speak to your body in a beautiful, supportive, uplifting way. As you are offering that loving, kind, gentle support for your body, just know that your higher self, your higher soul self, and the earth beneath your feet are supporting you. So, right now, allow yourself to feel supported by the light of your own soul, the benevolence of your own soul, and feel the support beneath you, solid, steady, unshakable. Now imagine roots extending from your body into the soil, reaching deep, connecting you with the magnetic core of the earth, the heart of the earth. And with each breath, draw in that deeper connection to the earth, into stillness, and allow each breath as you ground stronger and deeper to soften whatever may feel tight inside of you. Now, following the inner guidance, your inner guru, your inner teacher, your inner authority, check in what frequency of light and sound, what color frequency of light and sound will be best supportive for you today. And then once you get that color, that frequency, just allow it to come down from the cosmos, shower down through your entire auric field, shower down through your body, through your chakras. Don't forget the back. Don't forget your auric field in the back of your head and your neck. As you are in the flow of these supportive frequencies, now bring your personal awareness to your body and notice if there are any places that feel rigid, tight, or hardened to life. It might be in your chest, it might be in your stomach, your shoulders, or even in your thoughts. As you are soaking in these healing, supportive frequencies, as you breathe in, silently say to yourself, I see this place of rigidity. Be witness to your own rigidity. And then soak that rigidity with the light and the sound as you exhale, whispering, I soften, I let go. With each breath, imagine those rigid places melting with great ease, like warm, gentle water can melt an ice cube that turns into flowing water again. I see you. Just keep saying, I see you, tight control. I see you, rigid places. I see you, stuck energy. I soften, I let go. You will begin to notice yourself becoming more supple, more open, more alive, and then that illuminates other tight spots. So be witness, let go, expand into gentle softening. Where are you noticing that tightness the most in your body? Just notice what you notice and intuitively sense what you sense. Letting it drain right down your grounding. There you go. You're really starting to dump it now. Now we're going to infuse and fill those places with benevolence. Now, personally, I often see the frequency of benevolence as a light blue or a light turquoise. If you see or sense benevolence as a different color frequency for you, please go with what you are receiving. If you've been working with any other color, you can let it drain out if you wish. And then let's bring in, by calling into the room where you are, the cosmic frequency that's available of benevolence, that's available to all of us at any time. We don't have to wait for the wave. So imagine the soft golden blue light descending gently around you, the frequency of benevolence, gentleness, and strength woven together. Experience this light and sound as it flows through and around you, going through your mind, supportive of your nervous system. Let it touch your heart. Feel it expand, the benevolence expand inside of you, because remember, benevolence has nothing to do with weakness. It is a power of love, of steadiness, and kindness. Steady, kind love. Now imagine with each wave that is filling you up, you're going to send that out and radiate benevolence outwards, first to your family, then to your community, and then across the whole entire world. As you share this beautiful benevolent frequency, whisper along the waves of that frequency, may all beings be held in gentleness. May all beings be blessed with benevolence. How incredibly beautiful. Now allow the benevolence to continue to radiate outwards. But now let's bring the awareness, we're almost coming to a close, to the natural world around you. Imagine sound and light infusing every part of creation. hear the subtle hum of the trees alive with heaven. Experience the shimmering of light dancing and infusing the rivers, the oceans, and the skies. Feel the pulse of sound and light flowing through your own body, through your own blood, your breath, your being. Because this is truly heaven on earth, not far away, but here within and around you. Rest for a moment in this radiance, soft, open, benevolent, gently saying to yourself, I soften, I am gentle, I carry benevolence, and the light and sound of heaven shines through me. If you'd like to remain in this state, then I suggest you take a moment to pause this teaching. And otherwise, go ahead, if you've got to get on with your day, go ahead, come back to consciously the space that you're in. Thank your body, thank your spirit, thank the cosmos, thank the earth. Go ahead and stretch, move your body around. Whew. And let me know in the comment section how you were feeling before, what you're feeling now, knowing that this meditation is available to you all the time. Thank you for being here with me today. A gentle reminder about the fall equinox is just coming up in 3 weeks. The link to register is below. And that gentle reminder, I will not be here next week for the live event. I'm actually attending a conference called Phenomicon in Vernal, Utah. And this will be my 4th year going, and I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot, and I'll be happy to share it with you when I get back. All right, take good care. Lots of love. Let's keep radiating that benevolence, preparing to really drink in a lot more of it in the months to come. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.